Today I am going to teach you how to do a decrease in crochet. So what I've done here is I had done an increase. I started with 10 and then I increased every single one of those 10 up to 20, and then I just did single crochets on top of those, just so that we could get an idea of how much it gets bigger when you do the increases. So now what I want to show you is just how much it gets smaller with the decreases. So with a decrease, you're going to take your yarn, and right now I've done the turning chain, and so I'm going to go in the first stitch in that row. And you just yarn over and pull it through just like you would for a normal single crochet, because this is a single crochet two together. And you'll go in the next stitch and yarn over and bring it out. So if you notice, you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over and pull through all 3. And it's a little bit bulkier, but it takes those 2 and turns them into 1. And we're going to do the same thing with this next bit. So go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through. You've got the 3, and you yarn over and pull it through all 3. So now you've got 2 there when there used to be 4. So again, go through, yarn over, pull it through, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, pull it through, so you've got the 1, pull it through, you've got the second, and then you're going to pull it through all 3 of them. And we're going to do that again. Now you can actually do a decrease like this with more than just 2. If you were going to do a decrease of, say, 3, you would just pull some under that first stitch, under the second, and then under the third, and then you'd yarn over and pull it through all of them. So for today's, I'm just going to show you the 2, which is probably the most commonly done, but there are instances where it would be indicated to do more than that. I'm just going to kind of do this slow, just so that you have a chance to practice with me and look and know what you're doing. This is actually not bad at all, in my opinion. So that last stitch is always a little bit hard to get through. Oh, and my yarn's being ornery. Okay, so if you take a look at that now, it really pulled that piece that was fanning out, really pulled it back in. And now in some instances this can be a really good thing, because say I did an increase and then decreases, and if you look 3-dimensionally, it gives it a nice little hump there. So for certain patterns that is a really good thing. For other ones, you're not going to want that so much, and you'd only want to do, you know, decreases every 6 stitches or so, depending on what you're working on. So if you have any questions, go ahead and list them below. Thank you for watching.